How to change gender in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now on the top, tap on your profile picture again. So this will lead you to this editing platform. Here on the bottom, tap on Edit Profile. Now slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section called Gender. So it is right here. So here you can select the gender that you want to change into. So here I'm tapping on one. So here there are different options that you can choose. Here on the bottom you can even add your own gender. At last simply tap on OK, and at last tap on Save, and it's all done. So the gender is completely changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.